Hello guys, S2W here with your next casual consumer's perspective review. If you're watching this video and you're not currently subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right beneath this video and hit that notification button for that early notification for more in-depth reviews. For today's video, I actually stumbled across this sneaker because Adidas had a huge sale going on with their online website. I was always curious about this shoe but never had the time to grab a pair and review it. Going with their 2018 theme with fusing their latest cushioning technology boost to their sneaker models without boost, this year 2019, they have created another new hybrid. Today, we have the Adidas AlphaBoost by Parley here for a review. This silhouette is basically a fusion of the popular AlphaBounce, which was already known for its stable and supportive fit. But now, they've added Boost technology, which is known for its extra bouncy cushioning qualities. Aside from being a hybrid, the specific model I have here is also a collaboration between Adidas and Parley for the Oceans, popularly known as an environmental organization that raises the awareness of the environmental issues towards the oceans, especially ocean plastic pollution. Now let's take a closer look and see if this silhouette has what it takes to be as comfy as its original silhouettes. Now looking at the overall shape of this shoe, it's literally a mirror image of an AlphaBounce. Nothing too different has changed in its shape, and as what I like to call it, it still has that shape of a shark. The upper on this shoe is usually made out of a seamless, stretchable air mesh textile, known for its flexibility yet stabilized form and breathable properties. Now I'm unsure of the other non-Parley pairs because I don't have them, but since this version is a Parley collab, the upper on this is created with special yarn made from recycled plastic found in the ocean. From experience, my earlier Parley Ultra Boosts had uppers that felt like regular Ultra Boost uppers, so I assume this pair is similar to regular AlphaBoost versions as well. But as you can see here, although the mesh is lightweight and flexible, it's not stretchy at all where the textile is elastic. I feel like this is because there's an extra piece of smooth internal textile underneath this mesh, mostly to keep our feet from irritation against this uneven upper. So this extra piece of textile inside further strengthens the shoe but with increased comfort as well. Also, this one-piece upper has extra 3D contour designs seen across the surface on both the lateral and medial side. We can see the staple wavy bumps seen originally from the OG AlphaBounces on this AlphaBoost as well, keeping that OG authenticity on this new silhouette. Aside from that, the top of the sneaker has a regular lace closure with plastic eye stay pieces adhered onto the upper. This sneaker comes with flat but round laces in black, over the seamless tongue that's slightly padded up for extra comfort. On this tongue, an Adidas and Parley branded strip of textile is added on, offering an additional lace hole for the laces to thread under. Inside the sneakers, it comes with removable foam insoles in a mint green colorway, and of course, co-branded at the heel with a simple design indent on the underside. We can take a moment here to check out the textile lining on this inner wall, featuring the same smooth lining that I was talking about earlier that shields the rest of the internal wall of the upper. Like previous AlphaBounces, these are cushioned around the ankle collar and heel for padded coziness. At the back of the shoe, we will see a short heel pull with an iridescent 3M reflective strip that will shine and also change color as you look at them at different angles. We will also see the little heel counter in mint green for heel stabilization with the Adidas 3 stripes logo on the lateral end. Then comes the midsole, which is essentially a whole block of boost cushioning. This is the full-length foam we see here that spills out of the edges of the upper, as if our feet will sit inside this block of squishy cushioning. This boost is really thick, and it's further decorated with the same wavy patterns seen on the bounce cushioning of the original AlphaBounce. It's most likely an aesthetic choice, just like the piece of AlphaBoost system sticker overlay ironed onto the medial side of the boost. Furthermore, according to Adidas, this is actually a dual density boost system, so what I'm thinking is that they've packed double the boost pellets to make it more condensed, meaning it will be a lot denser and probably less squishy for that steady performance aspect as we use it to run. Because keep in mind, this silhouette is built for performance. This is further shown at the underside of the shoe, protected with a continental rubber outsole for extraordinary traction in wet and dry conditions. There are also orange pods here for increased stability, providing stable lateral movements when needed. Anyways, here are some Adidas AlphaBoost by Parley fit footage. Sizing wise, I have wide feet but went true to size and they fit pretty well for me, just like my AlphaBounces. Fit-wise, their forefoot is actually pretty roomy width-wise, which will allow our toes to move around spaciously. The midfoot area though feels a tiny bit narrow, and I feel like it's because my wide feet are touching the edge of the boost protruding upwards at the side. It's just a tiny bit, but other than that to keep in mind, man are these shoes stable on feet. The wide outsole on this sneaker helps a lot, and the stability factor reminds me a lot of the original AlphaBounce. Boost comfort-wise though, to be honest, it's not that bouncy as I thought. I didn't realize they used a new dual density system, so the cushioning is definitely a lot more compact. If you have an AlphaBounce already, these aren't too much of a huge difference. However, I think as a performance running shoe, you would feel the bounce back a lot better on this AlphaBoost, but if you're using it as a daily walking sneaker, it won't be the squishy comfort of the UltraBoost or EQT 9317 out of the box. Even the Adidas Night Joggers in comparison have a softer cushioning in my opinion, but the huge advantage of this shoe is that you can use it both for performance and casual wear, which the Night Joggers cannot really. The UltraBoost is a pretty good option doing both as well, but these are still the cheaper alternative, especially since these are going on sale on the regular. I'm actually a fan of the AlphaBounce, and by adding boost, it makes the footbed a tiny bit softer, which is still a tiny positive. When running or jogging, you can definitely feel the pushback against the floor that propels you forward more seamlessly. Now, I'm not an expert in running or anything, but as a running shoe, these will provide a softer punch to the floor than the regular AlphaBounce. Walking wise though, not too much of a noticeable difference. This shoe is also very easy to put on and fits great on feet, with a nice modern look. Of course, it won't be as free-forming than knit textile, but everything on this pair just screams value as it will excel both as a performance and casual sneaker. Price wise, at regular, they are 190 Canadian dollars before tax, but they're going on sale. I only bought this for 80 Canadian dollars, which is a steal in my opinion. Any sale is a good deal, but when it goes above 50% off, it's definitely a good purchase for what this shoe offers. As always, throw me some likes if you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think about this new Boost hybrid. At this point in time, any Boost product you see that's on sale is definitely a good purchase these days, to be honest. That's it for today. S2W signing off.